Let's focus on the forecast now. KDKA First Alert meteorologist Ron Smiley joining us now. Still, the conversation about this weather is ongoing and it keeps really evolving.
Yeah, and now we're talking about extreme cold and a warning in effect, right?
It certainly is. And with the temperatures as cold as they're going to be getting, it's going to make it even tougher on those road crews out there. I always say that they're like the eighth wonders of the world. The amount of coordination it takes to get all of these roads as quickly as they do to clean them off. Hey, I grew up in Arkansas, so this is amazing for me to see just how quickly it happens. Just look at the pictures coming in out of Texas. You see how we do it down there. 2 degrees, your temperature right now. Wind chills are well below 10 below at this time. We do have the warning in place this morning because of the cold temperatures. Here's those temperatures for you now, including most places hovering near zero. And here's the warning. It's an extreme cold warning. It goes through 11 o'clock this morning. It's going on. So an extreme cold warning. What does that mean? That means normally you can expect temperatures in some areas to dip below 20 below, upwards of 25 below. We're seeing that in places like Oakland and Garrett County, Maryland. We're seeing it close to that up along I-80 as well. These temperatures are very cold this morning. When you see temperatures like this, frostbite can happen in less than 30 minutes. Now, for tomorrow, we have the cold weather advisory. It's close, but it's not the same as an extreme cold warning. Normally with the cold weather advisory, these are temperatures that are cold enough that you can see frostbite between 30 minutes to an hour. You can see those numbers right there, what we're expecting. This is going to be on Tuesday morning, should say Wednesday morning, the low temperatures that we are expecting to see. It's going to be even cold then. Coldest weather doesn't arrive until late this week, Friday and Saturday. Even though I haven't done it yet, expect by the end of the day today, we'll have some first alert weather days in place for those days. One of the reasons I'm holding off, if you remember just a couple of days ago, there were some forecasts that had even this morning as cold as about 5 or 6 below. I want to make sure that that cold air is going to be in place, that the skies are going to be clear, everything breaking, in this case, wrong for us to see those temperatures going way down. But everything, at least right now, looks to be in place. We are watching another surge of cold air that's going to be pushing in later on today. This particular model has some snow maybe as soon as 10, 11 o'clock this morning. But I really think you're going to have to wait until after 4 o'clock before you have best chance to see some snow showers, including right along the ridges. This will be because of the winds and the direction that they're coming in will likely keep those temperatures on the cold side. So 16 high temperature today. Yeah, balmy this afternoon. Here's your forecast. In fact, even though I'm kind of joking about that balminess there, these temperatures are dangerously cold. If you have to be outside, please prepare for that. Temperature should be near 10 degrees at noon. 14 your Wednesday high with temperatures in the morning 1 below. Not very warm at all. And in fact, over the next week and a half and beyond, it looks like this deep chill, it is here.